Why can't lightweight wall material factories avoid a hanged cutting saw? In the early days of the development of the foamed concrete industry, due to the lack of production experience, the core processing of the equipment was not properly selected. So many customers always say, circular saws and reciprocating saws are just transitions, and hanged saws are the destination. The outstanding advantages of Guangzhou Hengde cutting machines in the production of lightweight blocks and wall panels are summarized as follows. 1. Maximum cutting system. The original single-time cutting volume of 6 to 8 cubic meters of special saws, matching the upgrade and transformation of the 4.2 meter to 6 meter molds of the traditional autoclave production line to the most cutting types, divided into 2 series of square molds and long molds, suitable for the production of various types of blocks and wall panels, with more than a dozen cutting machines of different capacities and types. 3. Fast cutting speeds. Compared with circular saws and reciprocating saws at the same price, the production capacity in the same time is 1 to 2 times more. For highest cutting accuracy, the cutting accuracy is within plus or minus 1 millimeter, and the flatness of blocks and wall panels after splicing is saving the construction cost of the wall plastering, leveling layer, and higher stability. 5. PLC automation. Realize the cutting of blocks and wall panels of any size. Full PLC intelligent control. Complete the switching of various sizes within 1 minute. Workers can work easily without manual operation. 6. Without manual operation. Sawing seam 1.7 to 2. Edge peeling 1 to 2 centimeters and recyclable. Almost zero raw material loss. Reduced production costs. 7. The world's largest square mold cutting machine. The traditional 1 point to x 1 point to x 0.6 meters square mold. Circular saws and reciprocating saws cut 1 embryo at a time. Hanged saw can achieve a single cutting of 2 to 8 embryos. 8. A strong R&D and upgrade capabilities. International cutting-edge foaming processing technology. After more than 20 years of practical application and continuous upgrading of more than 1,000 customers, design cutting solutions for different products according to customer demands. Therefore, accurate, high capacity, and low cost. Core advantages such as high capacity and low cost enables various types of lightweight block and wall panel manufacturers to have the greatest market competitiveness in the industry.